इरफान भाई, जीवन में कबड्डी तो बहुत हैं। कभी उतार की कबड्डी, कभी चढ़ाव की कबड्डी। लेकिन जिंदगी में जब मैच ऑन रहता है तो उम्मीद हमेशा कायम रहती है कि जीवन की कबड्डी में हम जीतेंगे। लेकिन जीवन की कबड्डी के मैच को बीच में ही छोड़कर चले जाना, फिर कभी ना आने के हिसाब से, ये बड़ा दुखदाई है। इरफान भाई, आपकी पुनरावृत्ति नहीं हो सकती। आपको हम लोग कभी नहीं भूल पाएंगे। लव यू इरफान भाई।
I am completely shattered and deeply saddened to know about the passing away of a very, very dear friend and colleague and drama school junior, Irfan Khan. It's not only the loss of the Hindi film industry, or it's a loss of the country and international entertainment world. He was an amazing actor, that goes without saying, but he was a wonderful human being also, very straightforward, with a great sense of humor, compassionate. It's so frightening and awful to talk about him in past tense. It's I don't know. I feel that it's too soon. It's too soon. 53 is no age. In fact, in today's time, no age is. We are already struggling with this pandemic, and we are trying to hold back our depression, our sadness. We are struggling, and then for this news to come is very, very sad. Very sad. My heart goes out to his wife and his child, and it will take us many, many years to register that he's not among us. It will take us many, many moments of some kind of. I just want to pray for his departed soul. I just feel it's sometimes the words are so insufficient to express shock and grief. And I will miss him, the world will miss him, and my Om Shanti, and may God rest his soul in peace. Irfan.
The demise of a great human being and a great actor, Irfan Khan, is a great loss to the industry. We have no words to express our sadness on losing this great man. I worked a lot with Irfan and my television shows. He was always a fighter. He was one of the most positive and a vibrant human beings on the sets. We at the Federation of Western India Cinema Employees and IFTDA, we have no words to express our loss. Our heartfelt condolences to his wife Sutappa and the entire family. This loss is a great loss to the film and television industry and the theatre industry. We'll miss you a lot, Irfan. You fought a very, very serious battle, and you had come out as a winner till now. We expected the same to happen, but it didn't happen so. But you'll always remain alive in our hearts. Your performances, your laughters will always remain with us. We'll miss you, Irfan. We'll miss you.